Hello and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to check your TikTok analytics to help you grow your TikTok account. One thing I want to mention is that this is for those who have already upgraded to the creator account or who have upgraded to the business account. So I'm on my TikTok profile here. I like to do watercolors on the side. That is what you're seeing. But let's go ahead and check our analytics. What we want to do is tap on the three dots in the upper right hand corner, and then that will bring up these different tabs here, and we'll notice that none of them are actually analytic tabs. However, we can go tap on where it says creator tools, and then right up at the top we will see the analytics tab. So let's tap into that. And you'll notice that there are four different categories. We have the overview, we have the content, we have the followers, and we have the live. The overview is going to show you your video views, your followers, and your profile views. And you can also change the date range. So the default is the last 7 days. If you tap right there on the top, you can change that to the last 28 days, to the last 60 days, or you can create a custom date range. So the thing that is going to be very, very helpful in growing your account is looking at the followers analytics. You'll notice at the top that we can see the gender of our followers. It has female and male, and it will also tell us the territories in which most of our followers come from. However, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says follower activity, this is what I think is very, very powerful in helping us grow our accounts. And that is because we can see by the day when our followers are most active. So for me, they seem to be most active between anywhere from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So if I'm looking at this data here, it might be a smart thing for me to post during those hours rather than, sometime over here after, 8 p.m. It's not going to have as many of my followers on. I can also change this to days, and it's funny when you look at the days, most of the time it's going to be straightforward because of the fact that most people that have TikTok are probably viewing their TikTok account or their TikTok app every single day. So there's how you check your analytics if you are upgraded to the creator account or the business account. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. It will really help me out. And I make daily how-to videos to help you out on your digital needs. Thank you, and I will see you next time.